Oh hi, I'm Rachel and we are making soba noodles 2 ways. Let's try it. So I thought it would be really fun to make soba noodles today. I saw 2 recipes that looked really good and I will link them down below. I have never tried these. The only reason why I bought them was because I saw them in the international section of my store and I like to just peruse that section and see what kinds of interesting things I can find and then try, because I really like trying stuff from all around the country. I know you're supposed to rinse these off well or else they'll get mushy, so I will do that, and then you have to like put it in cold water. But anyway, I have 2 recipes. One is more like one you could have for dinner. It's more a warm recipe and it's more simple, but I think I will add mushrooms to it because the recipe calls for just the noodles and lots of green onions and like soy sauce. But it also says you could add like any kind of meat or whatever. Well, I was gonna add mushrooms anyway, just for that extra little meat. And then we have this other recipe. It's supposed to be like a cold noodle salad with vegetables, and so that's this one. And they both have yummy sauces to go with them. The vegetable noodle salad right here has a peanut sauce, a spicy peanut sauce. I like some spice. And this one has a sauce with soy sauce. It called for double fermented soy sauce, but I just read that and I didn't have that. So I have soy sauce, regular soy sauce. And this one actually calls for the tamari sauce, which I thought that I bought, but I don't think I have it. But both of that you can sub with soy sauce. And there's a couple other little substitutions that I did as well. But anyway, let's get cooking. Woohoo! It is time to try soba noodles 2 ways. The cold noodle salad way first. Let's see how it is. I'm going to try to get very refreshing. I think I will eat this as a lunch noodle salad. I really like the peanut sauce. It's not too much with the amount of noodles. And the noodles are supposed to be way more healthy than like regular noodles that you would find in the United States. But yeah, this is really good and refreshing. I like how it is cold. Let's try the warmer, more simple noodle salad that I added mushrooms to. It'll be easier to grab what I want here. There's a big mushroom. This is really good. I would eat this as a side dish to a lot of things. The soy sauce amount is very good. It would be wonderful to try it with the fermented soy sauce that the recipe called for. But I did not have I did not have the fermented soy sauce. It's great with the mushrooms. The chopstick is upside down. But yes, I did toast the sesame seeds for both recipes. Please toast your sesame seeds. It makes such a big difference. Anyways, both of these are great. I will definitely be eating with soba noodles in the future. These were so good. Please try it. Bye.